Lewiston, New York is considered the most historic square mile in America. This charming, quaint village hosts visitors from all over the globe and is just minutes to majestic Niagara Falls, one of the world's most astounding natural wonders. And located right in the heart of town, overlooking the Niagara River, is the Barton Hill Hotel and Spa, the historically hip inn at Water's Edge. As the area's premier boutique hotel, Barton Hill combines the charm and comfort of a historic country inn with the service and amenities of a luxury hotel. The elegantly appointed guest retreats and suites are decorated with a historic flair and feature contemporary amenities including fireplaces, perfectly relaxing and cozy. Barton Hill Resort and Spa has the ideal setting for relaxation and adventure. Catch a sunset on the Niagara River, go biking, play golf on a Robert Trent Jones design course, and of course, picturesque Niagara Falls State Park is not to be missed. You can see the action of the falls from land and boat, and the historic 1727 French castle is nearby, as well as unique village shops, fashion outlets, and wine country. Plus, a dock where one-of-a-kind whirlpool jet boats depart is right in front of the hotel. But of course, you could just spend the day being spoiled and pampered in the spa at Barton Hill, a serene retreat offering a wide array of services for well-being. And there is no better location or team to help plan a successful business meeting, special event, or the wedding of a lifetime. We highly recommend the Barton Hill Hotel and Spa in Lewiston, New York. Life as it was meant to be lived.